Hey y'all, so I have partnered with Go Series by Pantene and Walmart to create this quick and easy style for soft moisturized curls. These products contain the miracle oil, argan oil, and they work hard, but they don't compromise the health and moisture of your hair. As an added bonus, they were co-created by Black PhDs, scientists, and dermatologists. So they work better because they were just made better. So here I am with an old wash and go, about 4 days old, and after cleansing I'm going to liberally apply the Moisture Boost conditioner, and it contains one of my favorite ingredients in a conditioner called cetyl alcohol, which helps it to apply evenly. It moisturizes and softens the hair, and it literally carries that argan oil into the hair. So another thing it does is really make it easy to detangle, which you can see right there. I'm just kind of gliding through, doing a rough chop. So I've rinsed all the Moisture Boost conditioner out, and I'm going to apply the Hydrating Butter-Creme. This one also does contain argan oil as well. And it's just a leave-in cream that actually provides moisture for about 72 hours, so you don't have to re-moisturize your hair every single night if you're going to use this product. Next, I'm going to go for the leave-on detangling milk. Now this one also has a lot of slippage in it from its ingredients, and it contains the argan oil as well, but it doesn't leave you with that greasy feeling. So when I go to really detangle and section and separate my hair, it's going to be super easy because I have so much slippage and moisture. Now I'm detangling for each section because I'm going to be blow drying the hair. So I'm going to make my section small enough for me to do in sections to blow dry it. It just helps make this process go so much easier. After I detangle each section, I go ahead and put a little twist in it so it stays detangled and doesn't curl back up on itself. So now I have all my sections done, and I'm going to go in with the Intense Hydrating Oil. You only need a couple pumps of this oil, and once you rub it through your hands, it's going to emulsify it so that it can be applied onto the hair evenly, and you don't need a lot of it. The great thing about this product is that it contains an ingredient that literally carries the argan oil in it and provides you with protection from heat and gives you a lot of slippage once you're blow drying your hair so that you don't lose any other hairs in the process. So as you can see, my hair isn't weighed down, but it's super moisturized because I only use the amount of product that was suggested on the package instructions. And my tapered cut is growing out, y'all. It's no longer tapered. Okay, so my workhorse on this hairstyle is going to be the curl defining pudding. What I love about this product is that a little goes a long way, and that you only need a fingertip or so of it on each section, and it's going to give you a light hold that also helps to reduce the frizz. And I would absolutely say that this product does exactly what it says it's going to do. Because it helps to lock in that moisture, it reduces the frizz, and it holds the curls in this style. So for my ends, I'm going to take a little bit more of that curl defining pudding and just roll it back up on itself. And we're going to put rollers in later. So I'll do another section. And you'll want to make sure that you evenly distribute the product through each section. I use the praying hands method sometimes. And make sure it's all the way down to the ends of the hair as well. Okay, so we have all of our sections twisted up. So on the ends of each of these, because my hair is blow dried and it's not going to curl up on itself too much, I'm going to take a gray perm rod and roll the ends of it just enough to create that curl in the twist. Here we go again, wrapping it around the gray perm rod and rolling up just enough to create one little S curl twist. All right, so we have all our rollers in, and that one was a little too chunky to put a roller on, so I just leave it alone. So this is after about, I'll say 2 hours. I let my hair set, and it already, you can see that it has that hold. And I love doing hairstyles like this and using products like this, because if I need to do my hair quickly and I have somewhere to be and I need to look like somebody, then I need a product that is going to do all the hard work for me. So by the time I finish doing my makeup and getting my outfit together, my hair is done. I love that it's so soft and shiny and moisturized, and that we have curls holding after only a couple of hours. Okay, so I have all of my twists unraveled, and I'm just going to go through and give a good little shake and show you that it is not greasy at all. I do not have a lot of product buildup on my hair. So on some of the pieces that are a little larger than the others, I'll take it and separate it one time. You don't want to separate too much. So my hair is soft, bouncy, full. It smells great. It is moisturized, and it is not greasy. So in order to get kind of that fullness that I want, initially I'm going to have to do a lot more fluffing because my style is so defined right now. And I know as the night goes on and we go out, it's going to get a little bit fuller because I do live in Florida. So this is at the end of the night. My hair is a little bit fuller, and we are going to go ahead and maintain this style and do a retwist on it. And meet my little one, Miss Ava Gray. She loves watching me do my hair. So what I'm going to do is just use the same sections that I did earlier. And that's going to be my map for my retwist. And because the Detangling milk has so much slippage without adding too much product, I'm going to use just a half a pump on that one on each section to smooth it through so that I can go in and detangle with my brush. And then I'll add a little bit more of that curl defining pudding to each section. You don't need much product again. And use the praying hands and kind of smooth it through the hair. And retwist. I'm being very careful not to drag my fingers through the ends of my hair so that I don't cause any damage, because the hair does have products on it and it can give you a little bit more friction when you are retwisting. So you'll want to carefully separate. And the same as always, on the ends I add a little more of that curl defining pudding and just take a gray perm rod and roll it up to create one little S. All right, so we're all done. I'm going to go and wash my face and go to bed, and I'll show you what it looks like on the next morning. All right, so here's the next day. Just put that same headband on and put it out the way while I did my makeup, and we are going to unravel, and I'll show you how much more defined it is today. I am going to add some more of the intense hydrating oil because I love this stuff. And it just makes my hair so shiny. It smells so good. And it doesn't make it greasy at all. And we actually have more definition on the retwist because it was in for over the 2 hours we had it in before. It's been about 14 hours at this point, and I still have great definition, soft, movable, and shiny. Once again, I'm going to give that great shake. Show you how movable and pliable it is, and keep picking it out because we have so much definition on a light hold product. I'm blowed. Okay, so overall I am really pleased with this line of products. Argan oil has been a staple in my beauty routine. It's the only oil I use on my face, and to have it in my hair feels Absolutely amazing. Okay, so my favorite product is going to be the curl defining pudding because it gives so much hold without the crunch and also without you needing a lot of product. And my hair is super fluffy and bouncy and soft. I cannot stop playing in it. And my second runner-up favorite product would be the Intense Hydrating Oil. It's super non-greasy. It has a lot of slip to it, but it immediately absorbs into my hair where it's not like sitting on top and it weighs it down. So I'm still able to move it, get those little bounce curls going, and like the more I fluff it up, the more I play with it, like the more I am loving it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and that it was helpful for you. And I hope you absolutely love the products like I do too.